cuties! Welcome back to Drawing Dexterity. Today I'm giving my Melody a spooky twist by turning her into a vampire. Let's make her look both spooky and cute. So let's start. Let's start with my Melody's ears. So we're gonna make a straight line going up. And we're going to curve a little bit. Now we're going to curve down. Okay, yes, like a popsicle. Now let's make one right over here. And there's another ear. Okay, like that. And now let's make a line coming down. Okay, and now let's make the bow that my Melody has. But we're not going to make a bow because this is a creepy, scary drawing. Scary but cute. So we are going to draw a skull on a bow. So this is the eyes. He's looking so sad, so depressed. I don't know why. And now let's make a normal bow right over here. It looks like it's my Melody's best friend. And I think it looks like he's sleeping or something. Now let's draw bones. How creepy is that? Hands, legs of the skull. These are its hands, legs, skulls. No, not skull. Hands and legs. That's it. Just like a heart. And that looks so cute. Now let's connect this from the top. Yeah, from the top. And we're gonna come down from right over here. Like that. And we're gonna come even more down. And also from here. Okay, now let's make them my Melodies. I don't know what to call this, but to end her head. And connect. Okay, that looks good. Now let's draw her eyes. And she also has eyelashes. Usually my Melody doesn't have eyelashes, but I just want to make them. They look super cute. Oh, adorable. That doesn't look creepy at all. I think her eyes might make her look cute because the eyelashes and her cute little. She's also going to have creepy vampire teeth. But her eyes can make it look. No, it's just a normal my Melody and she's just cute. That does look cute. Oh my god. Okay, now let's draw my Melody's nose. It's just so adorable. Okay, now let's draw her smile. Now we are going to draw the vampire teeth. The teeth, they're so big. Why are you so big? And adorable, of course. Now let's draw her I don't know, vampires have something like a cape on their back, like a superhero. I don't know. So that's that. And this is my Melody's hand. So cute. And that was fast. Okay. Now we are going to draw. Wait a second. Wait. Okay, yeah. And this is her foot. So adorable. Okay, now let's draw her second foot. Okay. And also, I don't know what this is, but it's just a thing. And now we're going to draw the bow, of course, to make it look like a vampire. Because vampires have bows, right? Yeah, they do. So that's why I'm making a bow. Actually, I have a question. Would you get scared if you see a vampire and then it suddenly turns into this my Melody right here? I wouldn't get scared. I'm like, my Melody, how are you? I wish to see you for a long time and I can finally see you. It's like that. And our vampire, my Melody, is completed. And you guys also have to tell me in the comment section below and rate my drawing from 1 to 10. And also tell me what other characters and share me your ideas you want me to draw. And thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.